UPSC Prelims 2026 faces legal challenge. 8 prelims questions have been challenged before Central Administrative Tribunal, with candidates alleging wrong answer keys, factual errors, and missing correct options. The disputed questions could affect 16 plus marks, potentially impacting the prelims cutoff and qualification for mains. Hello everyone, my name is Rajni Jha. Welcome to Drishti IAS. The Central Administrative Tribunal has issued a notice to UPSC to respond to these allegations. The next hearing is on 8th of October 2026. But the important thing to note here is this does not mean that the questions have been declared wrong yet. UPSC has only been asked to respond. Let's have a look at the disputed questions. So as I told you, there are 8 questions which are disputed. The first one is question number 7. And the question is, consider the following statements relating to the use of place value system in India. And the answer given in the provisional answer key is option number D, which is all 3 are correct. The next disputed question is question number 11. That is, consider the following assertion: in the Pleistocene period, either the Yamuna once flowed into the Indus or the Satluj flowed into the Yamuna, and one major tributary of either had shifted from the Ganga to the Indus or vice versa. For this, you had to answer which is the basis for the above assertion, and the answer given in provisional answer key is option number D, which is third, that is the presence of the same species of dolphins in both the Indus and the Ganga river system. The next disputed question is question number 45, which is, which of the following statements with regard to green hydrogen is or are correct? And the answer given was option number B, which is 2 and 3, both are right. The next disputed question is question number 60th, which says, consider the following statements about Mission Sudarshan Chakra of India. And the answer given for this was option number A, which is 1, 2, and 3. All these are correct. The next disputed question we have is question number 62nd, which is, which of the following statements about Zero First Information Report, Zero FIR, under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita 2023 is or are correct? And the answer given in provisional answer key is D, which is only 2 is correct in this question. And this again is a disputed question. The next disputed question is question number 82nd, which says, which of the following statements with regard to the Grand Slam tennis tournaments is or are correct? And the answer given in the provisional answer key is option number A, that is option number 1 and 2, both are right. This again, as I told you, is one of the disputed questions. The next disputed question is question number 86, which says, which of the following statements regarding the features of blockchain technology are correct? And the answer given in the provisional answer key here is option number C, which is 1, 2, and 4. That means this, second, and fourth. These are correct. Third is wrong according to this. And this again is a disputed question. The next disputed question that we have is question number 96, which is, which of the following statements about insurance in aviation sector is or are correct? And you had to find the answer using the code. The answer given in the provisional answer key is option number C, that's both 1 and 2 are correct. Now these are the disputed questions that have been challenged. For further information, stay tuned to our channel.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.